Well-known businessman behind cops killing at the Halfway Tree police station. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Communications Unit, has given an outline of the circumstances behind Monday's afternoon bizarre incident at the Halfway Tree police station that resulted in the death of a police detective sergeant as well as a known businessman who was before the courts. Speaking from the crime scene as outlined in the accompanied video by Ms. Stephanie Lindsay, the businessman Ian Singh of Ian Singh Auto was taken from the court by the now deceased lawman. They reportedly got into a tussle in which another law enforcement officer intervened. During the tussle, Mr. Singh reportedly got hold of a firearm and opened fire at the detective sergeant before turning the gun on himself, resulting in the deaths of both men.
What we know is that sometime after about 5:45, there was a very unfortunate incident here at the Halfway Tree police station. What we know as a fact is that Detective Sergeant was in the process of transporting a businessman from the court, because he was attending court on a matter, taking him to his office. Sometime during the journey from the court to his office, he attacked the Detective Sergeant. A tussle ensued. During the tussle, another police officer saw what was happening and intervened. During that process, the businessman pulled the firearm from the officer and he immediately fired a shot. Sergeant was hit and later died.
What's his sergeant's
We understand that the businessman then turned the firearm at himself. They were both taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. As it relates to the identity of the officer, we cannot officially name him at this point because our chief chaplain, along with the chaplaincy team, they are trying to make contact with the family. And the last time I spoke with him, they are not yet officially informed. So as soon as they are informed, we'll be able to give his identity afterwards. As it relates to the businessman, we can name him because the unfortunate thing is that his family was at the station at the time of the incident, and he has been identified as Ian Singh. He's a businessman that is well known, Ian Singh Auto. So that is what we are able to share at this time. And just to say that we have here a number of persons who are supporting the police officers here. It's a very unfortunate information. We have the leadership of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and we have all various stakeholders just supporting. And also our minister came to lend some support to the police officers here. So as you would be aware, it's a very emotional situation right now. You know, we all know the Detective Sergeant is 47 years old, a veteran detective in the Jamaica Constabulary Force for many years, very hardworking, and we never anticipated anything like this, so we are treating with it emotionally. Indicom was informed. We also have the Inspector General that's here because it was a shooting incident, so it warrants an investigation. So that's about what we know just now.
During the publication of this report, Links 007 TV News was reliably informed of the sergeant's name. The businessman who killed the cop before turning the serviceman pistol weapon on himself has also been identified as Ian Singh, the owner of Singh Motors Limited on Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew. Singh and his wife went to the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court today on fraud-related charges. Interestingly, according to SSP Lindsay, members of the Singh's family were at the station at the time of the incident. Earlier reports indicated that Detective Sergeant Kevin Main was attempting to arrest Ian Singh at the Halfway Tree police station in St. Andrew today when another police officer came to his assistance. Singh reportedly disarmed the assisting officer and shot Main before shooting himself. Main and the injured police officer died on the spot. The Independent Commission of Investigation has so far launched an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.